guys, good morning. Wait, that's not what I wanted to click. Also, it might not be morning for you. It's not even morning for me. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. We're playing Texas Chainsaw Massacre. I'm really excited. I've been addicted to this game for like 2 weeks now. Even though I'm kind of suck at it, both family and victims. We're gonna see if we can get into a quick one. If not, I'll just cut it to like the next match. But I wanted to rant first. I did, not even kidding, 6 sound checks before I started this video because I recorded 45 minutes worth of Texas Chainsaw Massacre yesterday. Went to look back on the footage to like post it. No sound whatsoever. I was actually so mad. I just went to bed afterwards. I was like, I'm not dealing with that. But if I do bad today, for reference, I played 3 victim matches yesterday, and 2 out of 3 I escaped, so. If I don't get Connie, I'm gonna be mad. That's the one thing I don't like about this game. You can't play the survivor that somebody else is already playing. And it makes me mad, because why can't I? We'll just cut to the game, actually. It does this like every once in a while. Once it takes too long to find a server, it just like boots you off. We got into a game. It didn't take that long. Connie. No. No! Not that. Can I have Connie? I'm about to start begging. Please, please. Okay, maybe Anna will give me? Because Anna's my number 2, Sony's my number 3. Leland just sucks. I have nothing on him. Okay, now Anna would... Am I seriously going to be stuck with Leland? I'm going Julie, if anything. No! I'm going to lose. Like, without Connie, I'm going to lose. That's just that. No! I guess we're in the same boat. Okay, he meant boat. Yeah. Well, you suck, Jew fan. Is he baiting me?
Do you go home second?
No. I think she took it to school. Tell this man to give me Connie. Fine. I wish I was family, I'd kill him. This game is like actually so balanced. Maybe it's because I'm new, I think that, but so far it's been pretty balanced. And I've been playing for 2 weeks now. It's just better Dead by Daylight, essentially. There was one guy that asked me on my community post. Sorry, I'm like stuffy, that's why I keep itching my nose. He asked me on my community post if he should buy it, and if he's watching this, yes, you should buy it. We need new players.
The brutal attack on 3
Because it's
female
dead.
college students in Pflugerville, Texas last year.
Ugh, I'm going to die. That's just that. Oh my gosh, it takes me forever to even get off the thing. And it's a Leatherface, so I'm dead. Leatherface is the only killer that actually spawns in the basement, I think.
What the hell's going on? Oh god. Oh god.
I need to find a searching thing. Oh, that was just one point. Where'd he go?
Oh god.
Is there not a Leatherface? With Connie, I can just click, and I basically have, or actually I usually hold it down, but I can just click and I have the pick lock. Every other character I have to wait. Also with Connie, these doors are unlocked super fast. Or fast enough anyway. Every character has different stats that you can level them up, and you have to level up each character separately. I suck on both ends, but I'm especially bad at family. And obviously, if your family, the game's a bit more gory. And I like to keep it as family friendly as I can, but also I'm saying that as there's a dead body in the background of my game. So I might not be able to say that. Family friendly enough that I wouldn't play Outlast Trials in a million years. I actually haven't even played that game in a while. I need a bone scrap. There it is. These are weapons, essentially. You can fight against the family depending on your strength. Strength is one of the stats. Hurry it up. I'm usually bad at the fighting minigame. You have to like click, 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 spam, and I'm bad at that. I just can't. So I usually use them to take Grandpa down a peg. Is that a bomb? Oh my gosh! What just happened to me? What happened? Oh, Sissy's on the ground too.
Hey there,
Okay, I guess we're
sugar.
both in the same
Where
room.
you been? There's one. Can I fit?
Yes, you can fit, Julie. Now run. Oh!
You got the
He came out of the
disease.
darkness.
Ain't no leaving this place now.
I don't think he can get through that little the cracks. I need to hide. Please, please let no one find me. He found me! He found me!
Come on!
I'm dead. I'm dead. Okay, I'm recovering. I'm going to die this round, bro. And I hate this map too. Any map where it's like, I know raining is a weather can happen to any map, but especially this map and the graveyard. If it's raining, I'm just dead. You can see past anything. I'm gonna die.
Shit. Get away. Get away.
Of course, I picked the. How did that not go off? I don't think Connie uses. I don't think Mono does either.
There they are again. I need to lose them.
Sorry.
Now.
Oh my gosh!
Hey.
You good, bro? Oh my gosh! Okay, whole game's here, I guess. Were y'all just jumping down for fun or what?
I should hang on to this. It's sharp.
Now we gotta get back out.
Finally, a break. They're too close.
That scared me, bro.
Okay, again. You got this.
Grandpa, like, shows where you are, but when he's at maximum, even if he
I
stays
gotta
still,
stay
it
away.
shows people. But how is he already at
Why
maximum?
won't they leave me
These
alone?
trailers are like insane. And I was talking about it being balanced a second ago. Yeah, you can go first, but good luck with that. We're just dead. No one's getting out in time.
How does that feel?
No! I'm spamming as hard as I can. Get in! It's just gonna be a back and forth game. There's no way I'm surviving. Let's jump down a well. We're gonna jump down a well, because if I can I'm gonna go. Because they know I'm just gonna put up a fight. It'd be annoying.
What's this?
No, I still want to escape.
Are they really gone?
There's just skip to the next match. Just skip to the next one.
They're everywhere.
Why do they On to the next one.
Woman spent years
Okay, next
hitchhiking
match.
from Texas to California,
That last one
where she
was...
viciously murdered several
Actually,
truck
I'm not even
drivers
talking
and
about
three other
that. That was
young
bad.
women along the route. Billy
To be fair, I had to
Jasper,
be Julie
Whitmore,
with their
Arizona,
stupid running
claimed
power,
he
whatever.
likely had-
Now we get to be my beloved Connie. We're with Maria over here. Is there a Leatherface? There's a Leatherface. I'm pretty sure I saw him.
Oh my god.
I know Julie was out there. That's where the family members' profile icons are. How did I already wake him up? Let's get yours.
I can use that.
He doesn't detect you if you're standing still. He detects you. Look how fast he is.
Thank you.
We're just gonna go another one.
Maybe I can open those doors.
I don't
gotta
really
find
know
a
what
way
map
out
we're
of
at
here.
yet until I get outside. I don't ever look
Think,
down where it says the
think.
map.
Just look around, Connie.
Oh my gosh, so fast. That's like a breath of fresh air compared to playing the other characters. I do not have them leveled up.
Okay.
And that's a bit low.
Now, stay quiet.
I'm the first round of the basement, so they're probably gonna come running to me. I feel like in each... hello? How are you? Are you just like full syndicate or something? Where are you planning to go to? Where am I planning to go to? If I do buy a character, which I don't know if I will, because I do like Connie, it'd probably be Maria. We're gonna go this way. This is gonna be an easy escape. Trust me. No problems to be had.
Okay, let's see where this goes.
It's a bit loud. Let's close it behind us just so it comes in. Let's grab that. Oh wait, no, I
Finally.
need one of these.
A break.
Mom's, but it's not her new one.
Got it.
I don't think so. She has one that's in like a purple case. Do you want to be in my YouTube video? Come say hi. Yeah, that's why you need to be here. I'm just cloud chasing, you know. Where are the killers at? Are they on a break or something? This is peaceful mode, guys.
Got it.
We need another picklock, I'm pretty sure.
Awful. Just awful.
Wait, seriously gonna have to run all the way down to that one I just got one at. Is that where the closest one is? Where are the killers? Oh. Okay, they're not. Oh, I was watching
One
the
door.
2003 remake of... I probably should open that thing up over there. Of Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the
can't
movie.
make it.
And it's... I hate to say it, it's better than the original, in my opinion. Only thing the original did better was Sally Hardesty, of course, and the family. Everything else, character development, the story. I think I might like the look of the original better, just a tad bit. Don't. I'm not going
Listen to
to
me.
go fast.
We can't stay here, okay?
We can make it. Just stay together.
That's our power, basically. You just click 3 times and it's done. You better be unlocking that. Oh gosh, that was like incredibly fast. Okay, not even getting a chase. Y'all did get to see how the game works though.
Please.
Don't already know,
Please!
which I doubt because
Someone
there's
has
no
to
big
help
players
us.
actively on the team. Look who I have again. Connie. But this time it's thanks to Teresio, who's playing Sonny. I asked him, I told him about doing a YouTube video. I was about to start begging him for Connie again. Someone else, like, I can't play without Connie, it's so annoying. I'll skip. Sorry. I just have to say that. We'll skip to the actual game. Well, hopefully the killers won't be sucky. Oh, level 0 cook, level 0 leather base, and we're waiting on the last killer. This game's dead, but it usually doesn't take too long.
Unanswered letters.
We're back.
Boyd
Back to
is
get started.
expected to
The
fully
last killer
recover.
was a hitchhiker.
The scheduled
and
draining of
level
the
0
Colton Reservoir was put on.
Also, last
City
match,
workers
as I was
discovered the
escaping,
remains
it
of
was
more
right after I turned the video off. As I was escaping, Grandpa got to level 1. That's how bad those were. Yeah. Also, I played Sunny, which I usually don't have to. I can usually get at least Connie right.
Please,
But I played
God,
Sunny off camera
help me.
before I started the videos. And he always spawns upside down, tied by the ankles instead of the wrists, which I think is so funny. I don't know why. I think it's only him too. Why don't we do that to Sunny? I feel bad.
Stick around, Connie.
Oh, come on. We're gonna go for this.
I can open those doors. I gotta find a way out of here.
Okay. Side. I was kind of scared someone would fall on me. No one's out now. Side note, I just saw a video. There's actual lore to this game.
Make it.
Canonically, everyone dies except for Julie gets out but bleeds out on the highway while leaving, and Maria she fully gets out. She lives on apparently. And then Virginia and Wyatt do not have lore written for them. Where is the door at? I'm just gonna look down here. Where are the other survivors? Are they dead?
What's that?
I know they're not dead, but they might as well be if I'm not seeing them. Because I'm just teleporting now. There it is. Oh, they actually got out before me. I'm usually pretty quick to find the door and get in, get out.
Okay, let's see where this goes.
Uh-oh. No, why's Grandpa not doing this? Let's go get a bone scrap.
This will help.
There's one. I just want to snipe Grandpa. Make sure he doesn't get to level 5.
I should keep this.
Sneak attacking
Just in
Grandpa
case.
makes it where... Ooh, someone's in a fight over there. Ah, Leatherface is still random. Sneak attacking Grandpa makes it where he goes down. Ah! Oh my gosh, how'd that work? Go!
No, careful.
Oh, hi Leland, how are you?
Oh, Leland, we've gotta stay together.
Is he chasing me? Definitely chasing me. He's gonna hide in here.
Come on back now. Got something I want to show you.
I can't see them.
More nice.
Oh, no, they're back. Stay quiet.
There's one.
I think this is what we
Okay,
use back
you're
home.
good.
This should help. Why won't they leave me alone?
It looks like I can be seen really easily in this grass, but
I
for the
think they
killers,
left.
it's basically... You have to just stand there and look really, really carefully. This game's more about stealth.
They're too
than
close.
Dead by Daylight is, you know?
I'm good. I'm
Dead by
good.
Daylight is
Just
about
stay calm.
specifically. entire area is pretty sick as is.
This is terrible.
Lots of
But
nooks and
it might
crannies.
be handy.
Also, Connie's ability, once she uses it, her stamina gets drained. A lot.
Thank you.
This is a big one. I give it up to here. I was trying to.
I'll be back.
I think I
I'm
was
sure
playing
of
Julie
it.
earlier and I forgot. This Julie sucks butt.
I can use that.
Okay. Isn't this the same escape I used last time? I hear something.
Just go away, damn.
Did he see me? Ah! Yeah. Ah! Johnny's here too.
What was that
This grass is
thing?
tall.
Was that a person?
So there he's gonna see me.
I'm gonna see your insides before this night's through.
Yeah, get under there. Oh, he thought I was in there. Oh, that was so smart of him. Wait, that was so good.
I can't get away. Think.
Good thing I hit mine.
Okay. You got
This
this.
is kind of scary.
Oh, no. They're back.
They seem to
Stay
They
quiet.
seem to really want to guard this little area up here. I need my power to come back for the next door.
Finally. Yes,
If I get
it's
through
open.
here, I'm gonna shut this door so if they just come in and check from far away, they're gonna think it's still locked, you know? Okay.
I don't know what this is. It might work on those doors.
I'll check it. Always, if you're gonna get this game, always unlock the door before you turn off the generator or the battery.
I can do this.
Because I think it says when the battery is shut off, and you can easily hear as a killer when the
Got
generator
it.
is shut off. Please don't come back. Okay. Who else is still alive? I think only one person has been killed. I should try to slam the door a few times, make enough noise that they don't get out.
This should help stop the bleeding. I think.
This, in Dead by Daylight, the people are so much more selfish too. They're still selfish here, but it's not as bad. Wait a minute. Oh, you can go through that? That's cool. Someone's here. Is that you? Oh, it's just me and him. You can get out over here. Wait, is my voice chat not working? I don't think my voice chat's working. I think I muted everybody. Bye, losers.
I have to.
I'm gonna go check the footage. I think we might be able to play
A
one.
little more to get help.
That's the escaping screen. It's different, obviously. 3 different escapes. I've never done a basement escape before. You have to fix the fuse box and then run down to the basement before they turn the fuse box back off.
Damn these freaks.
That's his power. I guess the cook's AFK. Well, good luck, Sonny. That looked nice. I'm gonna go spend those points and then see if I can do one more game. And you will not be getting another round. And you are not the father. Okay, it's been like 25 minutes of like full game time. There wasn't like a good chase or anything, but I still had fun and I hope you had a fun time watching me. Next time, I'm going to do Rush Week. I'll play a round of Rush Week. It's like a different version on Texas Chainsaw Massacre. I don't really know. I played the Roblox version, so I'm probably going to be a pro at it. Just saying.